The report set out in detail the success of the PKTT, its strength as well as the criticism level against it, which are unfounded. The report also highlights the PKTT successes such as successful arrests and/or convictions of masterminds behind political matters. Importantly, the report highlights that the PKTT had undeniably achieved and far exceeded the purpose for which it was established, and that no other task team in South Africa had achieved the successes, nor has it been able to investigate and ensure successful prosecution of perpetrators of politically motivated murders, especially the masterminds.